In my latest video, I showed you how you can earn 1 or 2% dividends per day with the MintStakeShare protocol on the Binance Smart Chain. If you didn't see it already, go watch that video first so you understand how it works. I will drop the link below in the description for you. In this video, I will show you another way to earn daily rewards by using the referral program without putting in any money into the contract. When you sign up to MintStakeShare, you will receive a unique referral link, which you can easily shorten by clicking a button. When you promote your referral link, and people use your link to sign up to the website, you will not only earn more MSS tokens, but you also get BNB right into your wallet when they stake their tokens. The process is simple. As soon as a user visits the website with your referral link, your wallet will be saved in the browser's storage to ensure you get credited. All users that mint or stake from that browser will automatically use your wallet for referrals, and these referral wallets cannot be changed. Once you have referred someone, you keep earning from their minting and staking forever. When you refer people and they buy or mint MSS tokens, you get 5% of their tokens in your wallet. And when they stake their tokens, you also get 5% in BNB rewards sent right to your wallet, and this happens every time they mint and stake new tokens. For example, if someone that you refer buys and deposits 100,000 tokens into the staking pool, your staking balance will increase by 5,000 tokens. And you will earn 5% on all their compounds too, every time they compound. But it doesn't stop there. If your referrals refer someone else to mint tokens, you will earn 2.5% on each of those transactions too. And at the final third level, if one of those referrals also recruits people, you earn an additional 1.25% tokens on each mint. Minting tokens gives a 3-tier reward, but staking has only a single level of referrals, so you will only benefit from direct referred users. This is an incredible referral system that I have not seen anywhere else before. If you want to get in and make daily passive income with crypto, please use my referral link in the description below. If you have any questions about this protocol, or need more help, please drop in the comments section, or ask me in my Telegram group. Remember that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any project, and never use money that you can't afford to lose. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest videos first.